channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So, let's start our current affairs of December 3rd, 2021. On this day, we celebrate International Day of Persons with Disabilities. On December 3rd, we celebrate International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Coming to the first question, who among the following appointed as President of Karate Association of India? And the options are A. Deep Vasta, B. Devashish Chakravarti, C. Sanjay Kumar, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Kuldeep Vasta. Kuldeep Vasta appointed President of Karate Association of India. Kuldeep Vasta also holds the position of President of Delhi Olympic Association. Coming to the second question, GST revenue for the month of November 2021 was, the options are A. 1.45 crores, B. 1.31 crores, C. 1.23 crores, D. 1.89 crores. And the correct answer is B. 1.31 crores. GST revenue for the month of November 2021 was rupees 1,31,526 crores. This is the second highest collection since the introduction of GST. Gross GST revenue collected in the April is at record high of 1,41,384 crores. Coming to the third question, which of the following government withdraw the Char Dharm Devasthanam Management Act? The options are A. Bihar, B. Gujarat, C. Uttarakhand, D. Arunachal Pradesh. And the correct answer is C. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand government withdrew the Char Dham Devasthan Management Act. The act was withdrawn due to the protests from priests and also other stakeholders. Char Dham Shrine Management Act was legislated by the UK State Assembly in 2019. The act constituted a board called Uttarakhand Char Dharm Devasthan Board. CM was the chairman of the board and the Minister of Religious Affairs was the vice president. Two MLAs of Yamunotri and Gangotri were the members of the board. The board bought the Char Dharm of Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri and Yamunotri and 49 other temples under its purview. Before the act, the temples were managed under the Shri Badrinath Shri Kedarnath Act 1939. Coming to the fourth question, Sirivennela Sitharama Shastri passed away recently. He is renowned for. And the options are A. Producer, B. Actor, C. director, D. lyricist. And the correct answer is D. lyricist. Coming to the fifth question, which of the following state will host the 7th India International Science Festival from 10th to 13th December? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Goa, D. Telangana. And the correct answer is C. Goa. Panaji, Goa will host the 7th India International Science Festival from 10 to 13th December. The theme of the International Science Film Festival is celebrating creativity in science and technology and innovation for a prosperous India. Coming to the sixth question, which of the following organization will be organizing the body for IISF 2021? And the options are A. CSIR, B. ICMR, C. ISRO, D. NCPOR. And the correct answer is D. NCPOR. NCPOR stands for National Center for Polar and Ocean Research. National Center for Polar and Ocean Research is organizing body for IISF 2021. Coming to the seventh question, who among the following will be honored with the PIFF Distinguished Award? And our options are A. Ashok Sharaf, B. Rajana Deshmukh, C. Madhuri Dixit, D. Lakshmikant Barade. And the correct answer is A. Ashok Sharaf. 19th Pune International Film Festival PIFF held between December 2nd and December 9th. Veteran actor Ashok Sharaf will be honored with the PIFF Distinguished Award. He will be presented with the award on the inaugural day of the 19th PIFF. The opening film for the edition of PIFF would be The Woman from Mongolia. Coming to the Worldwide Cost of Living Index 2021. Worldwide Cost of Living Index 2021 released by the Economist Intelligence Unit. 2021 Worldwide Cost of Living Index tracks the cost of living across 173 global cities and compares the price of more than 200 everyday products and services. The Israeli city of Tel Aviv topped the ranks for the first time. Top 5 most expensive cities are Tel Aviv, Paris, Singapore, Switzerland, and Hancock. Syrian city of Damascus once again ranks the cheapest city in the world. Top 5 most cheapest cities are Damascus, Tripoli, Tashkent, Tunis, Almaty. Karachi from Pakistan, Ahmedabad from India are the cheapest cities, followed by Almaty. The highest rising city in 2021 was the Iranian city of Tehran. It has risen from 79th to 29th rank. Coming to the one-liners today, Sanjeev Kushal has been appointed as Chief Secretary of Haryana. Sitaram Kunte appointed as Principal Advisor to Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray. Maharashtra government given additional charge of Chief Secretary to Debashis Chakravarti. GST revenue for the month of November 2021 was 1,31,526 crores. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe.